How to fix iPhone touchscreen not responding. Is your iPhone touchscreen suddenly not responding or freezing? Don't worry, this step-by-step guide will help you fix the issue quickly. First, try a force restart. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side, power, button until the Apple logo appears. This often resolves temporary glitches. If the screen still doesn't respond, clean the screen using a soft, dry cloth. Sometimes, dust, moisture, or even a thick screen protector can interfere with touch sensitivity. If that doesn't help, disconnect any accessories like chargers or headphones. Some third-party accessories may cause interference. Next, check for software issues. If possible, go to Settings General Software Update and install any pending updates. If the touch screen is completely unresponsive, try connecting your iPhone to a computer and using Finder or iTunes to back up and update the device. You can also try recovery mode or DFU mode if needed. If your iPhone recently dropped or came into contact with water, it may be a hardware issue. In that case, it's best to visit an Apple store or authorized service provider for repair. If this helped you fix your unresponsive touch screen, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone fix tutorials,